Scene 1. Introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, today we embark on a journey unlike any other. A journey into ancient wisdom, stretching across the boundless tapestry of humanity's cultural and spiritual history. Imagine with me the vastness of golden deserts, the richness of dense green jungles, the majesty of snow-laden peaks, and the gentle flow of crystal-clear rivers. Within these landscapes resides knowledge shared by generations, transcending time and geography. It calls out to us today to see, not just with our eyes, but with the profound, unseen depths of our hearts. And guiding this exploration is a metaphorical figure, a shimmering king rising from the light, the king of the kingdom of God. Transition to throne and glowing figure. Behold, he declares, the tapestry of time is woven with wisdom. Mankind, diverse yet one, emerges as salt from the earth, united as grains of wisdom-imbued rice. True vision is an eternal gift, flowing not from sight but from the heart. Those in touch with their humanity hold the key. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. Let us first dive into the echoes of Chief Seattle's immortal words, as he stood steadfast, humbly bridging his people with the sacred earth. Depiction of Chief Seattle addressing his people. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth, he proclaimed. Our spirits are intertwined with the planet, a truth that demands a vision beyond materiality, blossoming into reverence for creation itself. Traveling to the land of the Dreamtime, we uncover another profound thread. Aboriginal wisdom held closely by their elders. Image transition, Australian elder by a campfire. The Dreamtime holds our essence, speaks the elder. In the stones, the songs, the earth, and stars. These sacred connections remind us the greatest sight lies within, led by the soul, not the eyes. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. From the sands of Australia to the pearls of the Middle East, Islamic teachings enrich our journey. The Quran, a wellspring of divine wisdom, encapsulates kindness, unity, and vision. An imam delivering a vibrant message in a mosque. Imam al-Ghazali reminds us, the Prophet taught, the most beloved people to Allah are those most beneficial to others. Love radiates unselfishly, touching every facet of productivity and harmony with clear inner seeing. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. From the Middle East, onto the meditative stillness of the East, Buddhism unveils its unique keys, truth and enlightenment. Scene depicts the Buddha sitting amidst a sanctuary of golden light. Buddha's calm voice fills the air. Enlightenment is birthed not in lofty realms, but deep within the mortal heart. Our thoughts define our reality. To see clearly, the mind and heart must be in synergy, nurtured by wisdom's gentle flame. From these spiritual foundations arise universal convictions. Vision evolves through hearts unshaken, brimming with compassion, immersed in the now. Scene 5. Conclusion. Across cultures, the silent yet thunderous thread of inner sight weaves humanity together. A cinematic collage, people connecting in temples, meditating, planting trees, sharing meals. The King of the Kingdom of God resounds powerfully. True vision belongs to all who see through love, guided by humanity. Compassion, flexibility, and unity replace mere existence with an awakening to grace. This, dear companions, is how peace is forged on earth. Our riches lie not in tearing apart, but uniting despite difference. The sun fades, music swells, and the closing image is one of boundless rays stretching far and wide, echoing one universal truth. We are the salt of the earth, and though different, together we form something greater.